And can you show us your shoes? Are they your shoes? Yeah? What's the other shoe like?
Oh, what was that? Was that your bum? Did you do poo-poo?
And well, go back and show us your shoes.
You want to do poo-poo? You want to do poo-poo? You don't want to do poo-poo, do you? Okay, but what about...
Ow!
Bobby, what happened to your hand? Peppa, get it. Quickly, get you, Peppa. Get you, Peppa. Tell Peppa to sit. Sit. Sit and hold. Sit. Tell her to sit. Sit.